Model, 2014 Renault Trafic LL29dCi 115 Sport Factory Fitted Crew Cab Van Novat. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 150297. MOT, the 5th of September 2025. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, aircon, sat-nav, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call